In this video, we're going to be going over a feature in the Fibonacci toolbar that we use to copy MetaTraders out of the program files x86 into a folder that is called MetaTraders that we create. In Windows, Vista 7 and 8, they have this program files x86. It's a security protocol that they use. MetaTrader is a older program, and so the things that are in x86 as far as MetaTrader goes do not allow other programs to interface with them. So what we've done is we've created a utility that allows us to move things out of x86, copy them into MetaTraders. So if we look here under program files x86, I have installed a MetaTrader that we're going to go ahead and copy. It is the MetaTrader Alpari UK. And if we go over here and look at MetaTraders, we're going to open that up, and you will see that we only have one in there currently. It's IBFX one click. So when we're done with this process, we'll have a new MetaTrader in here that's a copy of what we've taken out of MetaTraders Alpari UK. The original will be intact. You'll have a copy of it in our new folder. So the way we do this, first off, let's look at the toolbar here. We'll go to the drop-down menu. We'll go to Display MetaTraders, and these are all the MetaTraders that I have on my machine. You'll notice that right here is the C program files x86 MetaTrader Alpari UK. There'll be an additional one here after we're done. That will be done in, it'll look like this, MetaTraders /IBFX, only let's say Alpari, for the copy. You'll notice that I do not have anything that is in the program files x86 checked. What these check marks do is they determine which of the MetaTraders the toolbar is going to interface with. So it'll read them that they're there in x86, but leave it unchecked and just check the ones that are outside of the x86 files that are preferably in the MetaTraders folder that we're creating. That way it'll work with it. If you have one of these x86 MetaTraders checked, if someone's in x86, you will get an error message. So just wanted to make that clear so you know to uncheck that when you're done. What we're going to do is we're going to come over here to copy MetaTraders. This is that little utility I just mentioned to you. We move this over here where it says select the MetaTrader to copy. Down here we have C program files x86 MetaTrader Alpari. This is the one I want to copy, so I'm going to click on that. It's going to give me a choice of where I want it to go. In this case it's MetaTraders, which will automatically create on your C drive. I'm going to copy that. It's going to ask me, do you really want to copy this? Yes, I do. It takes a little time, sometimes it's very quickly. I just built this machine. It's very, very fast. It has a solid state drive, so it should only take a very brief moment to do that. It all depends on the speed of your computer. You see how fast that went for mine. I'll click OK. And now that that's done, you can see over here under the MetaTraders I have this MetaTraders Alpari UK. My MetaTraders Alpari UK over here is still intact. That is in the program files x86. It's still there. We just made a copy of it over here into the MetaTraders file that we just made. Up here is the icon, the original icon that we have for the one in the program files, and at the same time we created this copy over here in MetaTraders, we have created a copy of the icon that's distinguished by this FB for Fibobar, just like the icon for the Fibonacci toolbar, saying that this icon here for Alpari is now linked to this MetaTrader that's over here in the MetaTraders file, the one that we copied over. If this is your live account, you will need to log back in, and everybody should have their login and password. I can't imagine you not having that, but some people don't. They lose it somewhere along the way. So if this is your live account, once again what you'll need to do is log in with your username and password. You can call your broker and they will have that for you. So it's tied to your account. If you don't have it, don't worry, your broker's got it. And that's what you'll need to log in with. So I think I've pretty much covered everything in this. Go ahead, copy your MetaTraders if they're in x86. Just copy them over. You'll have to do them one at a time using that little utility. And the Fibonacci toolbar will go ahead and interact with them as long as the new one is checked. We have the old one right here. See, it's MetaTrader Alpari UK. It's in program files. But we also have the new MetaTrader for the Alpari right down here. It processed it. It's in C, MetaTraders Alpari UK. It's not in the program files, and that one is automatically checked. So just go through, make sure you have the ones checked that you want to work with, and the ones that say the x86, just leave them unchecked and they'll be smooth sailing. Alright, thank you very much. That's it for this tutorial, and we will see you in the next tutorial.